Hi there, welcome to highschoolmaths.co.uk. Today we're going to be looking at magic squares and we're going to be focusing on 3x3 magic squares, and the basic idea here is that all the rows, the columns and the main diagonals for the magic squares have got to add up to the same number. Now it doesn't have to be the same number each time for each magic square, so we're going to look at how we figure that out first. Now if you look at the first magic square we've got here, we've got 4, 3 and 8. We're looking for a complete row or column or diagonal. So we've got all three numbers in this column. So if we add them together, 4 add 3 is 7, add 8, that would be 15. Okay, so this row adds up to 15. That means, so this column adds up to 15. That means all the rows and all the columns have got to add up to 15. Okay, so we're going to use that to gradually fill out the rest of the magic square. Now, we're looking for another row, column or diagonal that has 2 numbers in it, so we can find the missing one. So if we look at this diagonal here, 2 add 8 is 10. That means to get to 15, that must be a 5 in the middle. So we filled out that number. We can then go into the middle row here, and 5 add 3, that's 8. So to make this whole row 15, we're going to have to make this a 7, because 7 add 8 would be 15. We then go to the first, and you're kind of working your way around. 2 add 7 is 9. 9 add 6 would be 15 for this last row. Okay, so all of our rows and all of our columns add up to 15 for this magic square. And we can then do the missing ones here. So for the bottom row, 6 add 8 is 14. That means the missing number has got to be 1 in the middle for 15. Likewise up at the top, 2 add 4 is 6. So we need a 9 up at the top to make this row 15. If we check that middle column as well, 9 add 5 add 1, that gives us 15. The main diagonals give us 15. All the rows and columns add to 15. So that's the magic square complete. Same idea here. The starting point is a little different though, because we're going to look at this main diagonal here to get our magic number. So 8 add 5 is 13. Add the 2 is 15. So again, we're looking at 15. Quite a common number, 15, for magic squares, but it doesn't always have to be 15. So in this one, we're looking at 15 being the magic number again. 4 add 5 for this diagonal is 9, so that means we need 6 for this diagonal to make it 15. And then we're doing the same thing we did before. Choose any kind of row or column that has 2 numbers. 2 add 6 is 8, so this, if we want that to be 15, has got to have a 7 in the middle. 7 add 5 is 12, so that's got to be 3. 4 add 3 is 7, add on 8 is 15, that's fine. 4 add 2 at the top is 6, so we need a 9 in the middle. 8 add 6 is 14, so we need a 1 here. Okay, you can actually see this is really similar to the one over here. It's just the same idea, but it's been flipped or mirrored horizontally. Okay, so that's what you're doing for your magic squares. Hopefully you found that helpful. For more videos and resources, please visit www.highschoolmaths.co.uk. If you liked the video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Have a mathemagical day.